Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, it's great to see both of you there. Chief Quality Officer from Swedish is here, Renee Resiliers-Bomers. Renee, it's great to have you here. This is a big deal for Swedish. Why does Swedish care so much about this issue of food insecurity?
Well, food insecurity really is the fundamental basis of health inequity. Our families, our kids, our community needs nutritious food in order to be healthy. And so it's important for us to really understand what are the barriers to health disparity, and food is one of them.
Yeah.
You've been a nurse at Swedish for almost 2 decades, and I asked you, why did you get into this specific work, focusing on getting food to people in our community who need it?
Absolutely. Well, you know, as a nurse at Swedish Hospital, we've seen folks from a multitude of backgrounds. And one thing when we work with especially children and older adults, when we ask, you know, how do you need to get to your resources, we often find that they have tons of barriers. Working on a surgical unit, myself for a number of years, we have found that folks don't have access to food, nutritious food, and they're picking between eating or buying their prescriptions. And so with that, it just kind of threw me into the community benefit aspect of the work and volunteering.
And for children in particular, if they don't have enough food, that impacts absolutely every other aspect of their day, their life.
Absolutely. A mother of 4, you know, if you don't feed your kids, they don't learn as well. They struggle at school. They're thinking about the hunger pains. And so it's so important to make sure to set them up for success socially, academically, and physically. It's important to make sure that they have those nutrition.
Well, Renee, we're grateful that you and Swedish are invested in this process. I just want you parents at home to think for a minute. If you've never been food insecure, and I thank God have never been food insecure, think for a minute what it would be like to look at your kids and see them not have enough food at night and wonder where's our next meal coming from, and the stress and the arguments and all that stuff that happens. That doesn't have to happen, because today Home Team Harvest is helping solve that problem.
And there's so many easy ways to give. You give back every day, and we're so grateful for the work that you do. We're asking you also to donate today. It's so easy. Just text Home Team to 41444 or at your neighborhood grocery store.
Yeah, all right.
Thanks so much.
Send it back into the studio.
Thanks so much, Mark and Joyce. Yeah, and you know, help us to help these families so they don't have to make that critical choice of what to decide to do with their money and where does it go.
Yeah.